Good morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad, and we are ready to do some zip lining and treetop obstacles here at Refreshing Mountain. We're in northern Lancaster County, kind of near the Middle Creek wildlife place. So we're here, we've been here before, but not for about 3 years. So we are ready to fly. Let's go. He's just standing there like that, like with thumbs up the whole time. That's really weird. So Refreshing Mountain is on the top of a little hill here, and look at this pool area. This is crazy. They have summer camps, they have retreats for men, women, families, all kinds of stuff here during the year. Whole like water park kind of thing here. We just found out about this complex like 3 years ago, and the family brought me here on Father's Day. You know, it's supposed to be a gift, but of course they're like making me climb up a tree and jump off and all that kind of stuff that I love because of I love heights. A little garden here. I think those are going to be cantaloupes. Got that wrinkly skin there. Some basil in here. What else did you find? Anything else that Mommy identify?
She said that she thinks that's mint.
Mint, okay. Got a big playground over here. Big swings. There are lots of cabins. There's tent camping, I think RV camping. All kinds of stuff to do here at Refreshing Mountain to refresh yourself from the daily grind. So we've got farm animals, petting zoo, horse barn, there's horse riding here, ball fields, the pool, basketball, here's the climbing towers, the elevated obstacles, bunks, dining hall, lodges, cabins, and like I said, a lot of tent camping as well. Got a walking stick here. He'd be camouflaged up in a tree, but not particularly on a light. So here comes, we've got this big tall obstacle course up in the trees. Do you see any Ewoks up there, Mad Taco? Any Ewoks up in the tree forest on the moon of Endor here? Top-notch facilities here. Everything is absolutely beautiful, almost blends in with the nature around it. Gonna go check in, get our harnesses. Oh my lord, look at this little naturally occurring chessboard. Did you know that chessboards are grown and cultivated in the rings of trees? I didn't either till now.
You guys ever been here before?
Yeah, once.
3 years ago. Oh, it's been a long while.
Alright, so we're all harnessed up. Just waiting for another foursome, I think. Although they said if they're not here in the next couple minutes, then we're just going to go, which I would prefer. That would be awesome.
2, 1, go. Go, you got this. Oh my god. You got this, Maddie.
Alright kids, it works. It's safe.
Heights are not my thing. Okay. Alright, so you're good to step down that bottom box there. You can hold right here, and you can hold right there, yep. Yeah. Alright. Alright, you can hold right there, and then you're good to go. Alright, you can hold them right about there, and then you're good to go.
Oh, turn around backwards. They missed me. Oh shit. Oh crap. And I'm stuck in the middle of the zip line. I think I need to be rescued. Was I supposed to grab something? Yeah. Okay.
The claw that clipped into you just didn't clip in.
Sorry?
The claw that clipped into your gear just didn't clip in.
Uh-oh.
Sometimes.
Alright. Oh, hi. Oh my god. Rescue! Right, look at it. Alright, try not to do that again.
It's not your fault.
On the obstacles here. Okay. Balance log. Be one with the log. Be one with the log. Oh man, look at all those pieces of wood to hit on the way down. That is actually very, very stable. Alright. Got room?
Yep, we'll up to here.
Got it, bud?
Yeah.
You're doing great. He's probably the most comfortable of any of us up here. He's 10 years old. Got no fear. He doesn't know nothing yet. So just walking from one horizontal rope to the other. Actually pretty stable. It's a little wobbly, but not too bad. Yeah, I think out there with like the rope swing, like it's a piece of wood and then two angled ropes up. Dr. Mom had trouble with that. Mad Taco though with her long legs was like a spider going across there. I'm worried about him with the short legs. But no time to watch him. I'm gonna do the cargo net. This net is the punishment for all the crabs I murdered at the beach last week. Alright. Not bad, not bad. Mommy was reaching out and grabbing like the rope with her leg, like reaching out to the rope and bringing it back. Head to the outside. Huh?
Actually jump.
You could try? Oh, nope. He recommends not jumping.
Probably pretty hard to land that.
I had to give him a little bit of push on the first one. I like swung him towards the second rung. Now it's momentum. That's the key. You have to be like swinging on this and reach out, especially if your legs are shorter. I'm gonna try and do the same thing Taco did. She has my long legs, so I'm gonna try and just walk right across. Okay. Grab the swings now for my turn. Just attacking it. Just trying to attack. Oh. right through this. Plowing right through. Oh. I'm actually a little better at tightrope situations than I thought I'd be, because usually my balance stinks. I'll be walking through the kitchen and just fall sometimes. Maybe that's why I don't like heights. Alright.
Awesome. And then you're good to go.
Okay.
Up on the box there.
Oh, a little tight down below.
All the way up on there.
That was awesome. I bet that's gonna look so great on this camera too. Here comes Mad Taco. Get your legs up. Woo!
Right on the box there.
Nice.
On the box there. Introduce me here.
So I see you kind of talking to your camera sometimes. Is that
I
for
do
a video series or
Yeah,
anything?
I do a YouTube channel.
Oh.
So a lot of hiking, biking,
Yeah.
stupid adventure stuff.
Very cool.
Around Lancaster County
Yeah.
and everything like that.
Huh.
Yeah.
What's the channel called?
I'll give you a card when we're done, but
Oh, okay.
Hiker Dude Dad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, you're good to step down on the platform now.
Boy, that's the worst. That first step, man. Boy, that's the worst. That first step, man.
On the box.
Oh my God, I was doing everything I could do. Whew, that's a big drop when you take off of that one.
Yeah, that one has a big.
I'm like inching towards.
But I will have you actually step onto the platform before you go upside down, just because you don't want to flip super fast and then hit your head on the way out. Alright, I'm going to help you step down so you don't accidentally flip. Alright, you're good to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what
It was all about flipping upside down, and then he wouldn't let go of the
He wasn't
handles.
going to flip upside down. He was good. Alright, you're good to step down. Step back.
All right. It's pulling up so much in my.
Alright, let's step up on that box then.
Oh yeah.
Good to go.
Crash landing. Turned around at the last minute. I was doing a good job steering, and then last minute. Son of a.
Very nice. You didn't slide on your butt.
Hey, way to go. You actually.
I I chose to.
I was doing such a good job steering with the handle. I figured that out, but then I just lost it at the end. Comes Dr. Mom. Run, 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 run!
I slid and I was mulching.
I went upside down.
Did you?
Oh, you did? Arms out, hanging.
I'm gonna have to zoom in. I think I got it. All right, we survived. This place is absolutely beautiful. What do you think, man? Did you do all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so this place is awesome. You could definitely spend a whole day here. We're in the pool. We're going down the crazy fast slide. Nice one. Very springy diving board. Well played, well played.
Great job, Bray.
All right. From the top without B-Dog farting.
I mean,
Do you love the kids'
it's perfect.
sense of humor?
A smell of humor.
Anyway, that's going to wrap it up here from Refreshing Mountain. This
Everything
was awesome.
was refreshing other than that.
Including the pool, that was fun.
Oh, it was a great day.
All right, that's going in bloopers. So,
Right.
all right, wrapping it up here from Refreshing Mountain. We're about to head out and get some ice cream, walk around Lidditz for a bit, but the zip lining was amazing. Mad Taco, favorite part?
The ziplining at the end when you kind of had to like go into the mulch,
Like
and
slide.
I slid into the mulch.
Everybody
And I
had
also-
perfect landings.
Yes, including you. And I think that the ziplining for the last zipline was fun because I went upside down.
Dr. Mom, best part?
I loved going upside down on the last one as well, and the obstacles. They were challenging, but yeah,
Okay.
I'm proud of myself.
B-Dog, what'd you like?
Everything? Can I say?
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is a great place.
I like
What's
the
not to like?
and the rope scores.
And how about the pool? The diving
Yeah, the
board,
pool.
the
The
slide.
pool was
diving
awesome.
board was amazing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the diving board was like 2 or 3 feet above,
Yeah.
like above the water.
It was a great one.
And it was like
I think we
really
got
down.
videos, but Ray did a front flip off the
Diving board.
diving board. And Taco did a dive. That's it from Refreshing Mountain. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. We'll see you next time.
Wait, Hiker Dad, what was your favorite part? You asked
Hanging
us.
out with my family all day. Woo! We're out of here. See you next time. What kind of ice cream monstrosity did you get there?
It's the baked fox chocolate chip cookies pressed around Belgian cookie butter ice cream.
I got a salted caramel milkshake.
I got an orange creamsicle ice cream.
And this is a roasted milkshake. Chocolate brownie mocha ice cream blended with espresso. Awesome.